everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Jaspreet Kaur and this is the little corner of the internet where I like to share my journey with all of you. If you have been watching my videos for a while, you probably know that I don't wear your typical daily care products. So I don't wear things like store-bought deodorant, I don't wear makeup, I don't wear perfume and all of that kind of stuff. And this is because a lot of these products contain some harsh chemical ingredients, and if they're used consistently over a long period of time, they can cause some health issues in the female body. By sharing my experiences of this whole chemical-free natural lifestyle, I have inspired a lot of other young women to do the same. And like with anything, at the beginning of the journey, it seems really difficult and really daunting, and everyone feels like, oh my God, every single product contains chemicals and the world's out to get us and we're all doomed, but that is really not the case. You'll probably be surprised at just how many natural and chemical-free products there are on the market for us to buy right now. And this isn't a sponsored advert at all, but I'll leave some of my favorite products down in the description box below. If you want to take a little look, feel free. For the past 2 years or so, I have really struggled with my mental health, and I'm sure everyone watching this can relate to that statement. Now, I have said this so many times in videos before, but health is not a one glove fits all kind of thing, and that goes for mental health as well. Managing your mental health is a really personal thing, and for me, getting into the kitchen and cooking and creating recipes for myself and my loved ones has really helped me feel sane, and it really helps me just feel like myself and just be in the moment and stop stressing about random things that might not even be happening. Making DIY care products does the exact same thing for me. Cooking is something that I do like on a daily basis, so something that's quite regular in my routine. But making DIYs, it kind of breaks up that monotonous routine that I've got, and that makes me feel a lot more confident, and it makes me feel a lot more creative. I don't know if there's an actual connection between that, but I definitely feel it. So I really wanted to share this recipe with you all in hope that it will inspire you to figure out a way to manage your mental health. And it might be by making this body cream, and it's completely safe for anyone to use. It's really, really easy to make, and it's really, really fun. So I hope you enjoy this little recipe. The first thing I'm going to show you all is the ingredients. You are going to need half a cup of coconut oil, and make sure it is unrefined and raw. Refined coconut oil means the coconut has been baked prior to the oil extraction and the oil has been bleached, so the end product is nowhere near its natural state and it doesn't contain all of the good stuff. Same goes for the shea butter. Make sure it is unrefined and raw, and you're going to need 1 cup of this. Next, over a low to medium heat, add around 1 to 1.5 cups of boiling water into a patilla, into a pot, and then put a large bowl on top of that, ready to double boil the ingredients. Add in the shea butter first, as it is quite dense and it takes longer to melt, and you can use a wooden spoon or a wooden spatula to mix it around every couple of minutes. Once that is mostly melted, add in the coconut oil, mix it again, and let them both combine and do their thing. Now you can leave it like this, but I like to add 10 to 15 drops of lavender essential oil into my cream, just to add some relaxation properties to it, and also to give it a bit of a nicer smell, because the shea butter can be quite strong. Give your mixture a quick whisk, take it off of the heat and put the bowl into the fridge for around 30 to 60 minutes. Take it out the fridge, whisk it again and pour the mixture into an airtight glass container, then put it back into the fridge until it solidifies. This can take a couple of hours, so you might want to leave it in the fridge overnight. Once the mixture is solid, your body cream is ready to use. It has a super creamy texture and it is great for dry skin. The best thing about this cream is that you only need 2 to 3 ingredients max to make it. And if you compare this to something like cocoa butter or Nivea or any other kind of general cream that you find on a drugstore shelf, you'll see that these mass-produced ones contain a long list of toxic and chemical ingredients that do nothing beneficial for your skin. These harsh ingredients irritate the skin and they don't help the healing process, especially for dry skin and eczema. On the other hand, shea butter is great for things like eczema, and if you want a thicker cream, you can play around with the coconut and shea butter ratio, so you can put less oil and more butter for a thick consistency. This is the kind of thing that's going to heal your eczema. This is the kind of thing that is safe for you and your family to be using on your bodies. It is super fun to make, it's hella cost effective, and as I said before, it contains no toxins and no chemicals, so you can be sure that you're making the best, safest choice for yourself and your family. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this little DIY recipe. It is truly one of my favorite things to do, and this little pot of magic has so many benefits to it. It's fun to make, the ingredients are simple, and if you have dry skin or eczema, this is gonna be your best friend. Before you leave, make sure you hit that subscribe button, come join our little internet family, and I'll see you all in the next video. Mwah!